folks. I'm ready back for you to do some stuff for me. I want you to look at these cars. So you know what kind of cars they are. Broken cars, piece of cars with them. You never know. So we're gonna go for the turn. How'd that get there? I don't know. How'd that get there? Go in. Cop car. Out. How'd that get over there? So you never know what kind of car it is, right? Over here, we have my truck over here. Green. So, now we gotta go over here. This is a flying kind. So, see it? Is this thing working? I don't know what kind of car you are. But get out of my house! No, I'm just kidding. You can stay in my house how long? 15 minutes. I don't know what you're doing. You better not be blocking my house. Or you're out of the house. Goodbye. Goodbye. Have a nice